Big up Crossy Stevie.
Crossy Stevie. What?
You say you love money, fuck.
Yes, sir.
You love money, fuck. Okay. That's all I come see. I think I'm a cocky in
What
your
about
mouth.
the about that about one cocky? Yeah, but
Yeah, but what?
even my start with good.
But you have cocky in your mouth.
But then I have big money for pay my phone bill and you're calling a table cocky.
I'm gonna feel fearful. I'm gonna feel so some fucker. Hi. I'm kind of drunk. I was drunk. I was at the car wash and I was drinking. Because 8 John brought me home. I'm drunk as fuck. What's up?
I'm here, Shankila. Guys, remember the phone bill I pay 170.
Make somebody 170.
Huh?
Make somebody 170. Look if that child that up on the lamp can't take a cars on a problem. Fuck out of here, bitch. I'm free to do whatever I want to do. You
You're
fucking.
being not coming on a body man coming in an argument with me, son. If you know your man under here, just come now, please.
No, I don't got that.
Like,
Nigga. You
I'm
know, listen.
preaching and this thing gets someone I have no man become stress me out.
What I mean after you said, I'll go get. He said, comes down to this. Steve, it was the animal gonna make statement. I'm sorry, just coming up on his live was a big turnaround for a lot of people. Hi, yeah, motherfuckers, I gave you something to talk about in the morning. Oh, hi, hi,
What?
I said hi, onion.
I say hi.
Say your mind.
What?
I say your mind.
Let's I'm gonna chat to you now.
Emily go suck out your big pussy blood clot, man, and come from your
Ah,
big stinking yam shit, dog shit. The fuck you do over your big pussy girl, no man like you want stab up your face,
mm.
batty boy.
I didn't say I can't believe it, honestly.
Listen,
Feel stressed already.
listen, listen. At the end of the day, you knew or you know who I am. I
That,
ain't it for, but listen,
um,
I ain't it there for 4 years. You know I'm very turbulent and a lot of people you have to deal with. I fight niggas for real. You know
calm
this.
down. Because you know that's serious. Because you know I'm a lot.
I don't like that faggot looking ass. Bitch, me don't want to drink it, you're bitter. You want dash rag or suck your mother. I lick my lick girl in her face. Bitch, go suck out your mother. You know when I live big pussy girl, you could have come. First time I stop him, I have to own you. Hi.
Literally. But just remove Emily from the life because we can't take the stress.
Yeah, I
You
don't
know what? It's
like.
over here. Someone we don't know they have phone account and we
No, she
can't
carry
cuss.
a push up with thump up her face in America. Beat her up and fling her in the road and step up on her blood clot like
It's
mad.
not necessary.
You think so?
So go with them record and send it out across
I
Emily.
don't care about all of that. I'm a bad motherfucker. Lays with you, who lays waste to their enemies, motherfucker. Different between me and all of the boy and fuck my bad in real life. You know this.
Your problem, you know, and change.
You know what change your term without me because you just run your mouth, so. With all of the careless people them for life. You make have some damn shit destiny come and bring them out to you.
And about with it, my love. You have time for drunk crowd.
No, I'm just saying, you make people I call them blood.
Matter.
You mean well, one job? Hi everyone. I know a lot of bitches gonna be upset that I'm on his dick, but they must feel that more than on his dick, must feel for them on his dick. Remember, man, him name the family chase that I say I don't know man. All the other bitches will come over here. Look, so see the see me, man. You only get there first before a lot of people see me there. I don't know if y'all can see. Maybe I did the first. Ah, I can't remember put that nigga's name on my skin. That was so gay as fuck. I would never put that nigga's name on my skin. Never. Mm, no, you're really okay. Yep. Kinda if you want, you fuck the shot. You fuck it, you fuck me. You fuck each other. But I mean, that's the kind of things I used to do in a relationship. What problem? I mean, I over. I mean, over name that Galloway. Say, bitch, stop playing with me, fucking whore. Oh my god, I hate to take off my clothes. See them. This is how I didn't care that I have a tattoo on my skin. But yesterday I never put on my name. For your skin get into it.
You don't worry about that.
Something alright.
My phone, when upon the wife and the wife are so
Wi-Fi in our because the Wi-Fi man fuck.
we need one sim to pay my bill. That's what I need.
Yo, all I know over here, 36 people. The person who I was entertaining and I was just over here listening business and I listen and watch him month a month. They can sell him 150 things that me and no money. But you can sell them on 150 or
I have
something.
it.
And I'm so mad I fell
You
asleep.
call me that, man. I'm like, my mouth.
I fell asleep because this nigga from Tivoli did to come and carry me to buy weed and drop asleep. Oh, fuck. Don't wait till the morning.
I'm like, what's wrong?
Nobody. Something to talk about. It's the real. I'm gonna really want to come with some things feel like come but they come know you're soft.
Mm.
Meaning that you bust it up on people, but you don't have a really fight. When you don't really want to fight with nobody.
I don't fight people, I shoot people. That's the difference.
Fight bitches.
Don't fight bitches, just shoot them.
But you're gonna shoot them. You like for liquor and run like an old
Let's
bitch.
just go on fight like I like
Just, you're
I
gonna
go to
you want to set
in
up on
the knee, so me have to run.
Nah, really?
Would that you that live it? Would you that run it, live it to fight another date?
I'm not running, nigga. Nah. Why should I? Bitch, yo, you been a talk for about good while now offline. Just never. Well, what if you do this in a chat? Uh, I mean, if more fucking me can fuck him too. What's the problem? I'm free to do whatever the fuck I want to do. If I feel like to fuck my ex, I can fuck my
You're fucked if I wanted to.
Nah, but just make it bit more. The more I fucking me can always fucking. That's the difference between me and y'all bitches.
That's
Right?
and then I about kill me for one of this week.
Huh?
They come set the fucking wearing girl them pa me my
I didn't
love.
find it honor you. Know what the fuck you
Nobody
doing.
want so I'll be a problem. I'm gonna have
I
a
don't
time.
any one of these people. But if you accept the maid stuff, don't go talk the Spanish one.
That's nice.
I'm not one of them. I'm not one of them Jamaican boy. I don't want any of them. And if me do talk to a Jamaican man, I mean, most of the boy them from out here in the country, I mean, I bring come up. I don't want none of those Jamaican boys in me. Like,
Well, man,
all of them are weird.
so I know, man, I love want to stay single to blood clap. I want to stay single. Boy, they have to come kiss me and wake me up.
But not if you wake up because you don't have that personality. You're not a nice person.
Gotta find me around. Kiss
No,
them at
because
work.
if you used to have a man who did love you and crazy, hold you
Maybe
and
your kiss never powerful
you used
enough.
to, why you say?
Maybe your kiss never
It,
powerful enough.
it shut the fuck up. You used to cook and do everything for you and rub it and make love to you, build your weed and thing and make you feel alright. Feed you, give you cookie, do every blood clot thing for you. Blend out juice and them something there. You still was just a bitch to
Yeah.
me.